Help support the companies that support our community. There we go. It is just a beautiful piece of cherry. It is 7.5 inches across at the top and 4 inches tall. So it did start to split on me a little bit. It was a little bit wet, so it has a couple little cracks in it on both wings. So I'm gonna have to wait and see how that turns out. I'll keep you posted. Next week I'll show it to you again so we can see how far it goes. But I don't know, maybe figure out something cool to do with the cracks, maybe do some inlay or something if it goes really bad. But I haven't turned a natural edge bowl in a while, and I have a demo coming up on next Saturday, so I figured I had to get a little bit of practice in on it. The wood we got off a Facebook Marketplace, so Robin has it in her phone that anytime free wood comes up, it pops up on our phone. So we got a bunch of it was a bunch of firewood, but there were a couple pieces of cherry in it. So it was big logs about 3 feet long, and there were a couple of those in there. So free wood, the best kind of wood that you can turn. So I'll show you how the cracks go next week, but it should be fun. Last week we didn't have a video. That's right, we were at the Woodcraft trade show. We had a great time there. We were in the Easy Wood booth demoing with them, so that was a lot of fun. I think that is about it. I'm doing the demo, and if you don't remember, I do free demos. So if anybody out there is a club member and wants a demo, I do free demos for Niles. So bottle stoppers, bottle openers, off-center jig, we do all of that for free. So if you're interested, all right, we will see you next week. Take care.